Today I want to show you how you can add multiple TAPiTAG products to your profile. What you need to do is click the login icon in the top right hand corner, log into your profile. Now, once you're logged into your profile, you will see a screen like this. Scroll down to add a new TAPiTAG product. Just click it. Click allow. And then scan the QR code on the TAPiTAG product. And it will say, thank you, your TAPiTAG has been added. And that's it. Once you tap or scan your TAPiTAG, your new TAPiTAG, this will be assigned to your profile.